All right. Well, Mr. Childs, you got to participate in the St. Joseph County Bar Association Libertyville Award. Thank you for your patience. It does not appear that Christina Rose, I never saw her on the feed we were on, and we'll see if she comes back in. At any rate, this is file 21-6GC. It's entitled JM Met Subsidiary of B Liquidation versus Christina Rose. It's a claim for $1,403. The complaint was filed. Ms. Rose indicated in her response in February that she wanted to try to resolve the matter. What are we hearing there? I'm not sure what that is. Mr. Childs?
Yes, I'm here.
Have you had any contact with this defendant?
I have not seen that we've had any contact, and I believe we sent a default out in March 12th of 2021. And I don't see that we received any response from that.
I have the default. We didn't enter it in light of her appearance, and the clerk scratched over it, so I can't use it. So let's go through the numbers. The principal amount is $1,403.98. Court costs are $90.20. Attorney fee is $75 for a total default judgment of $1,569.18. Is that what you have?
Yes, Your Honor, that is correct.
It was laying out the $50 a month agreement. Okay.
All right. Could you submit a default judgment under the 7-day rule in that amount?
Yes, I can.
Okay. Are you still interested in doing that consent judgment? Yeah. Okay. So could I then get your email address? Would that be easiest for you to do it that way? Yeah.
All right, Mr. Childs. That completes this record. I didn't want to do that. I didn't know whether she was going to appear, and I didn't want to make all 50 other people wait while we did this default, so you ended up being the one to wait. But thank you for your patience once again.
Absolutely not a problem,
all right.
Your Honor.
She hadn't really stated any defense, but we did accept that as an answer. And all right, that matter is also completed. Thank you very much. You're welcome back next year to our Liberty Bell Award. It will be May 1st at 9 a.m. May not be virtual next time, but all right, thank you very much.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a great afternoon.
TJ, your plaintiff is here.
Oh, good.
Our next matter is file 201772. It's entitled Middleton Credit Management versus William Harrison. Mr. O'Nager is here for Andrew Perry from Middleton Credit Management. Mr. Timothy Reed is here for William Harrison. Attorney Nager, could you put your appearance on the record? Could you unmute your mic?
Morning.
Good morning. Could you state your name for the record, please?
Judge, you're muted.
TJ, I wasn't muted, was I?
Back on
No,
mute.
you're muted through the one system, but you're going through the Polycom, I believe.
Yeah, so you can hear me, correct?
I can hear you.
All right, yeah. So,
Not sure.
I can't unmute. It makes a feedback loop, so I'm on one system but not another. I'm not muted, but you were. Anyway, could you state your name for the record, please?
I can't hear anybody. Judge, on my end, looks like you're muted, if you can hear me.
Can you hear me, Mr. Nijar?
I can't hear Mr. Reed either.
All right, the problem is at your end, not our end.
I'm going to try and call in on my cell phone.
That's fine.
Okay. I'll try and Zoom myself.
And then I'd like a conference with him if I get a chance.
I'm not sure what's going on there.
I don't know. It's weird.
The problem is at his end.
Mm-hmm.
I just dialed in. Judge, if you can hear me.
Yes, can you hear me now?
Oh, I can hear you now.
You're gonna have to leave your cell phone on and shut the other one off.
Yep,
You got.
that's on me.
All right. Can you hear me?
I can hear you. Sorry, but I don't know what happened.
So the problem was at your end. I'm not sure what it was, but we just had a ceremony with about 60 people on it and everybody could hear. But thank you for waiting. You're
Yeah.
Attorney Omar Najor?
Yes, for Midland Credit.
What's your P number?
58066.
Mr. Timothy Reed is here on behalf of the defendant, William Harrison. This is a claim for $6,599.42. And the matter was set for a pretrial conference this morning. Attorney Najor, I'll start with you. What's the status here?
To be honest, I think we sent him interrogatories. I was just looking at the notes. I just got handed the file, over the weekend. So I think it's we just sent him interrogatories, waiting for the answers. If he wants to talk, I'm happy to talk.
I'll be happy to talk to him. Yeah, because I talked to Mr. Perry, and I don't want to bring in front of the judge. There's a couple weird issues here, but I think I've got a solution to our problem.
All right. Well, I know Mr. Perry. I don't know if Mr. Najor and I have met, but I'm going to put you guys in a breakout room and let you discuss it. I'll wait here patiently.
Sure. And Judge, just for the, probably we switched counties at our office, so I'll probably be handling more of these cases, just so you know. So
all right,
nice to meet you.
You're welcome. You won't have to drive out here as much as he used to have to do. These pre-trials will probably continue to be done virtually. But we try to take care of our cases as they come. So someday you'll have to actually drive out here and you can go to Yoder's for lunch and have the St. Joe County experience.
All right.
All right.
Now we're in hurry up and wait mode. Well, we are in hurry up and wait mode. Once upon a time, when this happened, I would have just waited in my office while the lawyers discussed the case in the conference room. But in this virtual world, I orchestrate the breakout room. And so I sit here and think about the meaning of life while I wait for the attorneys to try to come to some resolution. Welcome back.
Thank you, sir.
Working on other things. What's our status?
I think we have a resolution to this, Your Honor, so we would just ask that maybe the court just reset a backup date to this, but I don't think we're gonna need it.
I agree with him, Your Honor.
How about if we adjourn it for 30 days for a continued pretrial?
That's
Today
fine.
is May 3rd. If we adjourn it to June 7th at 9:30.
That's fine by me, and if it's
Yeah,
okay.
that's fine. Like I said, we don't expect really to come back.
All right, if not, we have a target date. Expect settlement resolution.
Sounds good.
Yes, sir.
All right, thank you both. We'll be in recess. You're good to go, thank you.
Thanks, Omar.
Thank you.
I'll send
Yep.
that.
Sounds good. Thank you. Sorry, Judge. I apologize for the Zoom mess up there on my computer.
Oh, that's fine. I'm sure you'll work the bugs out, but this phone worked.
Yeah, it's the first time it's
Well,
happened to me. So I don't know what happened.
You would be amazed at some of the connections that we've made. I won't even go. People calling from outhouses and driver's
Yeah.
seats and shirtless and in bed.
nice.
And so we've seen a bit of everything. All right, thank you.
Thank you.
And prosecutor calling my cell phone, so I guess I better call him back.
All right, you better get with it.
All right, thanks, Judge.
Thank you. All right, that ends our civil portion. We did do the first case, we did the Liberty Bell award, and then we did this.